Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, April 26, 2026. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, April 26, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng April 26, 2026 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, April 26, 2026. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Super Lotto 649 for April 26, 2026 Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Sunday, April 26, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.